Learning Activity 19. Evidencia Workshop. Talking about Logistics Workshop. Presented by Alexander Alvarez Bedoya. How to compare Six Sigma, Lean and the theory of the constraints. When it comes to business logistics, continuous improvement is necessary of the facility, robots, and social growth. To implement a plan that will successfully optimize your logistic operation, consider strategies that minimize costs, fully utilize production capacity, and improve the overall quality of customer experience. Consider these four methods to create logistics efficiency: maximum storage, optimize transportation, automated communication technologies, encourage feedback. By using strategies for logistics management, you can help make the most out of your efficiency, sustaining transportation and communication resources. Logistic planning will lead to real productivity, more satisfaction customers, and more preferred company. Improvement programs. A16 theory. It focuses on reducing the variation of the solving process and process problems by using a set of the tools and statistics to understand the function of the process. If the result is not satisfactory, associated tools can be used to better understand the elements that influence the process. Application greetings. Strong, original, and structured research methodology includes 5 steps: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, commonly known as DMAIC. Define, measure, analyze, to better control. Focusing on the main art of the variation reduction also as other desired effects. Is product quality. Some elements are moved, quality of them are discontinued. If items are revenue and product, errors and opportunities to make my skill and results. B. Lean team theory. Lean focus on the removal of waste. What is the fair and nothing unnecessary of the product of service. Application guidelines. Identify the value stream, employee flow, major inheritance of the flow of the board in the queue, bad processing and transportation, allow concept board to perfection. Focus. While Lean focuses on limiting waste and the problem flow, it also has some side effects. Quality is improved. The product spends less time in the process. Process simplification results in reducing pricing, removes system restriction, and removes improvisation. C. Theory of constraints. Theory. Talk focuses on the system prevent, a system independence and side of indeterminate process. Analogy for a system interchain, a group of entertainment lines working toward the overall goal. The constraint is a weak link. Application gains. Identify the constraint. Exploit the constraints. Survive of the process of the constraint. Allow the constraint gravity in the cycle. Focus. By focus on constraint, the method production process effects of the flow time of the product of the serial time the system. Waste reduction in class, throughput, and the province throughput time. Where the constraint is proven, the variation is reduced and the quality is proven. D. Similarity and difference between the proven plans. Similarities. The process employs theories and the methodologies make a few for design assumptions. After extensive refinements of the same process of system, many provide methodologies beginning to look at the product of the surface reference. ACE views the same strong in the theory and tools. E. Obstacle of the problem methodologies. Their authors manage theory as a secondary of charity is. They don't address policies, pay for vital or informal. They don't address how managers are measuring rewards for process improvements. They don't address the kernel theory of the manager of use by the organization. They don't address the organization values. Thank you.